Hey guys, compliments of the season. Let's make this premium moi moi together. I've already washed and skinned the beans. You all know the drill. You know how I use my blender to deskin the beans. If you don't know how to do that yet, I will be leaving the link in the description box below. Feel free to check it out so that washing your beans will be like reading ABCD for you. Okay, so after soaking it for an hour, I will pour it inside the blender, add enough water and blend till it is smooth. Because I'm making a large quantity, not that large, but at least it will not enter inside my blender once. So I'll be blending it twice. And after blending the first batch, then I will pour in the second batch. Then the second batch, I'll be introducing the pepper, ginger, garlic, and onion. For the pepper, I'm using habanero pepper and sweet long paprika. That's tatashi or shombe. So I add a little bit of water to make it light and a little bit of vegetable oil, seasoning cubes, and some salt. And that's all. You don't need to add more things to your moi moi as the taste will be somehow. Mix and mix till it is well combined. Test for salt. You can throw in some fish. Now I added a little bit of salmon fish or tuna fish. Then scoop inside your plate and put your egg. You can use hot dog or mackerel fish as your protein when cooking your moi moi. Then once I'm done filling all the plates, I will start cooking it inside my pot. I will elevate it a bit. Then I will start putting the moi moi plate. It will enable me to add enough water that we cook it till 45 minutes. And after 45 minutes, it is ready. Voila! Come and join me. Let's devour this moi moi together. Please share this video, like and comment. Bye.